Hello friends, welcome to Custody Family Life. In this video, I am going to explain you how to reach Snowdon Mountain from Liverpool using public transport. Because normally a lot of people don't have car, so they have a lot of doubts how to go Snowdon Mountain from Liverpool to finish their Snowdon summit. To go and come back, I just spent £30. First, using Trainline app, I am going to book open return ticket from Liverpool to Llandudno junction because I am going to return the same day. So the price is just £20.5. Off-peak day return price is £20.5. I booked this ticket by using Trainline mobile app application, and also I booked this ticket just a few minutes before the journey. Now I am going to start my journey. I reached Liverpool Lime station. Now the time is 5:25. If you see here, its time is 5:25. I reached the railway station. This train comes on the down platform number A. Even if you buy ticket in online, you need to collect the tickets. Okay, we need to collect the tickets. 18th June ticket, Liverpool to Llandudno junction. Off-peak day return. So I am going to start journey at 5:38. First I am going Chester. Then after I need to change the train to go Llandudno junction. I started my journey, but first train already delayed. You see here, train need to come at 5:38, but still 5:45. Now the train is coming. This train journey is approximately 47 minutes. This is the interior of the train. With slight delay, I reached Chester railway station. From here, we need to take another train to reach Llandudno junction. So at 6:44 we have train. Most of this train journey goes beside the sea, so you can enjoy beautiful views. The journey is approximately 47 minutes. On time I reached Llandudno junction. From here again we need to take the bus. So we will go towards the bus stop. So now I am at the junction. From here I am going to take bus to go this place, Beds Choir. From there again I need to take another bus to reach the starting points for the hike. Here with the pictures also. So here the junction, and here like this I need to reach this place. There is a train also, but very few trains available. So at this time the bus only available, so I am taking bus. After came out from the railway station, this is the bus stop. Name is platform number 5 railway station. Bus stop name. So just in front of the railway station. From here I am going to take the bus. Bus is coming. That is the bus. Bus number 19. This cute bus. Let's go in. The two-way ticket price is £5.1. In this journey you can see Conway Castle also. This bus journey is approximately 1 hour. Again, this road is very narrow roads. That's why the bus is very small. So the bus drops you here. So then we need to take the another bus to go Penway Pass. So the bus S1 we need to take from here. At this bus stop they have display also to check the bus timings. So the bus S1 is here. So to go to Penway Pass to come to and fro 5.7 times. This is the bus. This bus journey is approximately 22 minutes to reach that Penway Pass. So that is the starting point to hike the Snowdon Mountain. In this bus journey road you can see some of the camping sites. So if you are interested, maybe you can plan to do camping there. And again you can take this bus to reach the starting point of the hike. And most of the people prefer to take this bus because at Penway Pass car parking fees are very high, and also you need to do pre-booking. So if you take this bus, it's only £5 to go and come back. And also this bus is available every hour. And also this bus connects various hiking starting points. But I am doing hiking at Penway Pass, so that's why I am going to get down at Penway Pass. We almost reached the Penway Pass stop. This is the starting point to hiking in Miners track and also Peak track. This is the starting point for the Miners track. I started at 9:30. I reached the top of Snowdon Mountain at 1 p.m. The full video of this trip I posted in another video. So after finish this trip, I returned in a Peak track way. I came back to Penway Pass at 4:30 p.m. So when I came back, the bus is ready. So again I took the S1 bus. So using the same way, I came back to Liverpool. I am back to Liverpool at 7:48. So morning I start at 5:30 a.m. and I finish my total trip at 7:45 p.m. So this video might be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.